Your COM2 TS009 mailbox has been designed and tested to the highest secured by Design TS009 security standards. Mail is posted through the front aperture and is protected by an internal restrictor plate, preventing theft or tampering. Retrieve your mail safely using your unique key. The secure 3-point lock provides peace of mind, ensuring only you can access your post. Manufactured in the UK from heavy-duty aluminium and finished in weather-resistant powder coating paint, these mailboxes are built to protect against theft and vandalism, while withstanding outdoor elements. Tested and certified to meet BS-EN 13724 standards and TS009 2019. To keep your mailbox in top condition, we recommend cleaning the exterior with a soft cloth and lubricating the lock periodically.